This video will show you how to replace the sash on Andersen E-Series Double-Hung Windows. You'll need safety glasses. If the glass is broken, you'll also need duct tape and protective gloves. Be sure to tape any broken glass before sash removal to reduce glass fragmentation. You'll also need an Andersen E-Series replacement sash. If you need to order replacement parts, contact our customer care center at 1-888-888-7020. Windows and doors can be heavy. Use safe lifting techniques and a reasonable number of people with enough strength to lift, carry, and install window and door products to avoid injury and/or product damage. Before you begin, find the service guide that came with your replacement parts. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. You can also download the guide at andersenwindows.com. If you need to familiarize yourself with the terminology in this video, we recommend clicking on the information link in the upper right-hand corner to watch a video on identifying the parts of an Andersen E-Series Double-Hung Window. To begin, unlock the window and raise the lower sash approximately 4 inches. Now, rotate the lock handles to the wash position indicator. While holding the latches in the wash position, tilt the sash inward until the latches clear the window frame. Next, slowly lower the sash downward until it is perpendicular to the window frame. The sash must be supported during tilting, removal, and installation. Failure to support the sash may result in personal injury and/or product damage. It's important that the sash is perpendicular to the window frame, as this will lock the balancer shoes in place. Sash balancers are under tension, and if the shoes are not locked in place, the balancers may release and cause damage to the window frame. Now, firmly grasp each side of the sash. Lift up on one side of the sash until it is clear of the balancer channel. Then, lift up on the other side and remove the sash. If you are replacing the lower sash, dispose of properly. Otherwise, set it aside for reinstallation. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. If the upper sash is being replaced, lower it approximately 1/3 of the window's height. Retract the tilt latches and tilt the sash until it is perpendicular to the frame. Firmly grasp each side of the sash. Lift up on one side of the sash until it is clear of the balancer channel. Then, lift up on the other side and remove the sash. Dispose of properly. To install a new upper sash, grasp the sash by both sides so that the interior is facing downward. Insert the left pivot pin into the slot in the left balancer shoe. Lift the right side of the sash until the right pivot pin can be seated into the right balancer shoe. While retracting the tilt latches, return the top sash to the frame. Release the tilt latches and be sure they fully engage into the window frame. Raise the upper sash to its highest position. To install the lower sash, grasp the sash so the interior is facing downward. Insert the left pivot pin into the slot in the left balancer shoe. Lift the right side of the sash until the right pivot pin can be seated into the right balancer shoe. Retract the tilt latches and return the lower sash to the frame. Release the tilt latches and be sure they fully engage into the window frame. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the sash on your Andersen E-Series Double-Hung Window. If you need parts for your Andersen windows or doors, or if you have questions about care, maintenance, or repair, call our customer care center at 1-888-888-7020. or visit the Help Center in the service section of our website at help.andersenwindows.com. Andersen, customer care is what we care about most.